Hello guys, this is Shazim from Shazim Tricks. Today I am going to show you just 1 minute remove people or remove anything from photo in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First open your Photoshop software, then open your image. Now which person do you want to remove from this photo? Just need to select the person. So select the lasso tool or select the pen tool. For selection the image area, which area or which object or which person do you want to remove from the photo? I am selecting by using the lasso tool. Okay, now go to edit menu and then click on the fill or hold press shift and function 5. Or if your Photoshop version up to Photoshop CC 2020, so you will get here content aware fill. Using the content aware fill to remove the object or remove the person, I am selecting the fill and just click on the OK. Ctrl D for deselect, and now select the clone stamp tool and hold press Alt key and take the sample from the image and drag on your image to paste the sample area. Opacity decreases, opacity and flow. Using this way, you can remove any person or any object from the photo. I hope you like my Photoshop quick tricks, and I hope this video helped you. If you like my tutorial, so share this video with your friends and support me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thank you very much. See you next tutorial.